Is Joe Biden going to pardon Liz Cheney? Y'all like the video and check this out.
Republican lawmakers in Washington are now calling for the FBI to investigate former Congresswoman Liz Cheney for potential criminal activity while she was working on the January 6th House Select Committee. The panel releasing a report saying, in part, quote, numerous federal laws were likely broken by Liz Cheney, and these violations should be investigated by the FBI. Jonathan, you've looked at all this stuff. You know, one of the things they say she broke a bunch of laws. One of the things is they say that she spoke via text, or she was warned, Liz Cheney was warned, don't talk to any of the witnesses. Is it okay for members of Congress to talk to witnesses?
It is okay for them. It's not against the law, but it is good advice. That is, she should not have been speaking to the witness. I think that some aspects of this account are very troubling. I've been one of Cheney's loudest critics and a critic of the J6 committee. I believe that she did act improperly, unethically. I thought the committee itself engaged in dishonest and unethical conduct. The question is whether all of that amounts to a crime. And I'm highly skeptical. They're suggesting that this constitutes witness tampering. That's a crime with elements. And I don't think that they could really stick this landing in showing this corrupt purpose to influence the testimony. She will be able to argue that she was pursuing a legislative agenda, that she was the vice chair of this committee, and she's getting the support of the witness who says that, you know, she had already decided to get rid of her lawyer, to replace the lawyer, and to change her testimony. Now, keep in mind that testimony changed in a way that many people believe was false. That is, she ultimately gave testimony that has been debunked, you know, including the argument that President Trump tried to take control of the presidential vehicle and drive to the Capitol. The members of that committee knew that that had been debunked by the very agent who was in a position to know, and they didn't tell the American people.
Sure. Liz Cheney responded yesterday to the House report. She said, among other things, Chairman Loudermilk's interim report intentionally disregards the truth and the Select Committee's tremendous weight of evidence and instead fabricates lies and defamatory allegations in an attempt to cover up what Donald Trump did. I know that you say that you are opposed, however, to her getting a pardon, right?
I'm very much opposed. I think that she is likely to get one. But these types of preemptive pardons are very damaging to our system. There are people who are suggesting that Joe Biden give up to thousands of pardons of preemptive, what I call white knight pardons. And part of this is really designed for a political rather than a legal purpose. I don't think Cheney is in serious threat of a prosecution, but